咱的农业部长9月带团到美国，讲未来4年要扩大买100亿美金的美国农产品。因来顶个月底是换美国的农业部处长带团访台，甲咱的赖总统见面了后，决定要开放台湾的往来，会当卖去美国。
坐伫奥多摆顶，油门甲吹落，美国农业部处长林德必叫访问台湾，好要促进台湾美国农业贸易的关系。因为台湾差不多有96%的能源是靠进口，比例真悬。林德必叫嘛大力推广生质酒精，伫交通减碳的应用，包括酒精汽油甲永续航空的燃料。
Not only the sustainability goals that Taiwan has, but also can help reduce the price at the pump for Taiwanese consumers. And that's what I experience every day in the United States. I put ethanol in my car blended with gasoline, and it works great.
顶礼拜，台湾农业部长带团访问台湾了后，美国嘛讲，即届来因是真有诚意，而且甲赖清德见面的时阵，宣布台湾的往来会当销去美国。
The U.S. Department of Agriculture has committed to taking the next step to allowing Taiwanese pineapples into the United States. I've personally had Taiwanese pineapple on this visit, and I had it last year when I was in Taiwan as well. It's a wonderful product. It's very sweet and delicious, and we look forward to the day when we're going to be able to eat that in the United States.
此次率团来访，不仅仅是台湾与美国在农业贸易跨越公司部门的互利共荣，更象征了双方深化战略经贸伙伴关系的脚步。
台湾目前较实行的金船往来、甲山野往来等等，主要往来的品系，拢有符合美国基本的要求。毋过详细检疫的规定，要听候美国意告。目前当地的台美关税谈判的时阵，林德必叫嘛讲，访问台湾的目标，都是希望台湾未来4年，甲美国买农产品的量会当增加30%，价值差不多100亿的美金。毋过，伫美国牛肉、猪肉开放来台湾，即届因嘛有甲台湾肉品业者见面，反倒转来讲，台湾猪肉敢有机会销去美国的市场咧。
We have not had any discussions specific to Taiwanese pork. Taiwan is a large purchaser of American beef. We know that the consumers here are very focused on high quality, safe products. So we're optimistic about continued growth in that space.
台湾加做美国第7大贸易谈判，甲第7大农产品出口的市场。咱国进口的农产品甲食品当中，有25%是为美国来的。林德必叫强调讲。加做台湾的朋友，美国嘛会透过保障粮食安全、能源的安全，互台湾更较有韧性。记者综合报道。